Hey everyone, it's Jillian and I'm back for like almost 4 months, I guess. Parang last video ko kasi it's 3 months ago. There's a lot of things that happened and I'm just using my phone to vlog kasi sorry medyo maingay. Now, it's July, ano ba ngayon? July 21, it's Sunday. And actually, bukas, July 22, is orientation namin sa school na nilipatan ko. So, I'm actually enrolled to a new school. Hindi na ako sa school, yung green school na yun. Thankfully, I'm really excited and looking forward. Actually, mom bought me. Sorry, medyo magulo kasi yun, ginawa din yung tindahan. Ginawa yung bahay. And, ayun. So, my mom actually bought me a tablet. And, I'm so grateful kasi I will get to use it, senior high. And, I heard na may mga gagawin talaga. And, sabi ko, sige parang nag-cord yung tablet kasi I'm only using my laptop. And, my laptop, hindi kaya ng laptop yung hotspot ng phone. So, sabi ko, parang gusto ko ng tablet. Is it okay? And syempre, bantay ako sa tindahan the whole summer. Bantay ako sa tindahan namin. That is why I think I deserve this. I'll update you sa mga nangyayari. Opening ng classes namin is July 29, 2024. So excited! And bukas malalaman ko kung kailan yung section. Okay. Hey guys, so it's currently 7:59 p.m. Grabe, I'm so tired. Kahit natulog ako. And tonight, may ginagawa ko actually. Kasi gusto kong pangalanan yung mga gamit ko. So, ganun talaga ako, pinapangalanan ko. Para pag nawala, at least alam nila na sa akin. So, kanina, orientation. And nalaman ko yung section ko. And wala akong kakilala sa mga ka-section ko. Siguro sa ka-section ko, dalawa. Lalaki, yung dalawa. Sa babae, as in wala. Yung mga kakilala kong babae, napunta sa kabilang section. Ako kasi, STEM A, yung mga kakilala ko STEM B. Pati yung tropa ko, yung kaklase ko din, yung grade 10. STEM B yun siya. So, grabe, mahihirapan akong mag-adjust. But, no, it is what it is. I'll update you na lang for mga mangyayari the next days. Okay. Hey guys, so, it's 10:43 a.m. It's July 23. And it's Tuesday. And, yun nga kahapon is orientation namin. Grabe, as in, wala akong kakilala kahit sino na girls sa section ko. Sa boys, siguro 2, 3, ganun. 2 yata. So, nagkahiwalay kami nung classmate ko. Yung grade 10 yun, nasabi ko. And now, I wanna show you some of my things na prepare ko. Actually, ganun lang. Simple lang naman siya. May mga naiba lang since alam ko hindi na kami gagamit ng notebook. So, bumili ako nung binder notebook. So, I'm gonna show you. So, this is my clipboard. Actually, walang ibang color, pero nagustuhan ko kasi may lagayan siya ng pen. Ito, dito. Ayan, may lagayan siya ng pen. Pencil case, ganun pa rin. And yun may tablet. And I'm going to show you my bag. Bag ko from Secosana. Ano ba nasa loob? Ito yung binder notebook na binili ko. Nagustuhan ko kasi yung color. Wala naman ang iba. Black lang. Ayoko naman mag-black. So, ayan. Ganda naman siya. 10 siya na ano. And refillable siya. Nare-refillan mo siya. Ano pa ba? And of course, may cycle. So, wala pa akong periodic table. Pero at least may cycle na ako. Pink siya. Ayan. Casio. Yun lang. What I really love about this bag is madami siyang lagayan. So, yan. Bulsa, and yung side pockets, and bulsa ulit. Tapos meron pa dito. Hindi ko mabuksan ng isa. Basta meron pa dyan. And ito, 1, 2, lagayan dito. Dito ko nilalagay yung tablet ko. Dito pa. And dito meron din isa. So, madami siya. And super ano niya, convenient. Kasi lahat malalagay. Love it! Hey everyone! Today is July 25 and kagabi naggupit ako ng konti lang. Kasi ang pangit ang forma niya kapag, straight lang. So, I needed some trim. And, tagal na pasukan. Gusto ko lang pumasok. Kahit wala akong kakilala sa mga kaklase ko, gusto ko pa rin pumasok. Anyway, wish me luck. And, nanonood-nood lang ako ng video sa TikTok ng mga experiences nila nung nag-grade 11 sila. So, wish me luck talaga. Na sana meron akong maging friend. Hopefully, and I'll update you again, guys. Bukas or 27 or 29, we don't know. Bye! Guys, tuloy po ba yung pasok kasi umulan? Anyway, that's my look. Wala pa akong dito. And di pa ka nakain. Anyway, mamaya magkita kami ni Alin. Shout out sa iyo, Lena. 5:20, anong time na? 5:05. See you time. Hi guys. Uulan. First day of school. Hi guys, it's August 6. August 6 na. Ngayon lang ako nakapag tuloy kasi nahiya ako tuloy yung vlog ko sa classroom. Ngayon naman, nakalimutan ko, hindi ako nakapagpaalam. Pero sa iba, nakapagpaalam ako. Sabi ko, okay lang kaya mag-vlog. Kasi, alam naman nila nag-vlog ako. Ayun. Sabi nila, sige, sama mo ako, ganito, ganyan. Ngayon ko lang natuloy. At, kagabi naligo. Buko. Kagabi pa ako naligo. Kasi sa gabi na ako naliligo. Kasi, aga ko sa umaga. Ngayon, mag-aayos lang ako. At naka-uniform na ako. Huwag kayong dyan. Naka-uniform na ako. And, mamaya, tuloy na lang kasi lab activity naman. So, mag-get ready with me lang ako. Get ready with me. Anyway, mag-aayos lang ako. Babalikan ko kayo. Promise. Hindi ako naka-video kanina kasi malilate na ako. Ngayon, lab activity namin.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money, but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit tonight.
Hi guys, uwian na.
About to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. And no, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. Just buy me a new condo, and in the same year move back home. Guess your 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you were born. And anytime you reach for something, they claim that you need nothing to satisfy your soul, but all the good stuff's bought and sold. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit tonight, so we about to get it poppin' now.